High volume. High volume.
See my days are cold without you. I'm hurting my way. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if you're new here. Today we're doing another 7 girls, but this time I bought some curly hair and we're gonna straighten it. So let's get into the hair. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
Nice, I can make your mind up. Girl, I love you cause I never make your mind up. If I let you smoke it, you gon' lose my lighter. If you paranoid, then I'ma spend the night. Cause that I love it every day. That my dance with you, my money, I go back. For your love, I go back. Hit it, make it my DJs. I feel it for you every day. When you call, run it back on me back.
This is like the leave out and the, what do you call it, the anchor braids. This is how I do the anchor braids and the leave out, and obviously I'm going to show you like the base, but like this is how I feel like it just works well with my head. I don't have like really thick hair as well, so it actually works out quite well. Let me know if you guys do similar or if you do different, and like what's worked best for you guys, if you have like the same texture as my hair and stuff. Yeah, because I'm a braid girly, to be honest. I used to do a lot of like lace front wigs and stuff like that and sew-ins when I was like a teenager. Girl, I am only 26, but it's been a long time, okay, and I'm getting back into it. But yeah, let me know in the comments.
It ain't where you been, girl, it's where you at, where you at. That I love it every day. That my dance with you, my money, I go back. For your love, I go back.
This is also the first time I'm doing a net with my sewing. So don't come for me the way I put it on my head, because genuinely I watched so many tutorials. I don't know how they do it, but I did it in the end, and it was hard. Just know that.
You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I make my mind, and it's always trials and tribulations. Child. Kissing in Paris, I guess we could do it in French. Wow. Eating low maintenance, child for now, child. She got me wildin' now. Rory Italian, child for now, child. Yeah, she make it shake, bringing that bait till the bait break. Wow. Yeah. Crazy how you managed to make me into a sponsor. You got me paying. You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I make my mind, and it's always trials and tribulations. Child. She don't want how much, she want Amex, and I'm inclined. Face card valid, no, I never pressed decline.
Girl, I'm not gonna lie, it's next day. I started my hair at like 11, I finished at like 5, had some intermissions, but yeah, I was tired. And yeah, I'm also spraying the heat protectant over the braids. Yeah, don't come for me.
30-day trial before I make my mind, and it's always trials and tribulations. Child.
One from your jaw, wind up your body, come me want you. Tight pussy, girl, cocky call you. Baby, this a what me want you. Wind up your tight pussy pan a cocky.
I have tried other hair textures, but usually when I get like synthetic weave especially, I usually prefer to just get like the curly hair and straighten it, because at the end of the day, I feel like, I don't know, I feel like it just looks better. I feel like it's not so silky straight. Like, I like straight hair, but not like so silky. But then when I had the yaki silk, I don't know, not the yaki silk, is it straight yaki? Whatever it is, girl. When I last had that, I don't know, I liked it, but then I kind of didn't. Like, I don't know. I'm still playing around. Let me know the best, like, synthetic hair, and also let me know some of, like, the best real hair out there, like, because I'm still looking. Hair companies, I'm still looking. So if you want to use me as, I was going to say projector, girl. If you want to use me as a guinea pig, use me. I'm here, okay? Hey.
You know don't know, you know run it through queens and Brooklyn and true ranks. We're full of substance, we're full of substance. That you make think out when we do me love songs. So me no stay far, me can't keep me distance. Me have to tell you say for instance, wind up your tight pussy pan a cocky. Long till you bend like banana. Come wind up your tight pussy pan a cocky.
I also just wanted to say, like, I really wish that I could love a long bust down middle part, but I just can't do it, because do you see how I cut this hair? Even after this video, I actually cut it, like, so it's more so by my boot, like, because it was just a bit too long. I don't know why, it's just like, it was just in the way. Girl, I was just trying to chill and watch Netflix, and like, it was just in the way.
Long till you bend like banana. Combine up your tight pussy pan a cocky. Long till you bend like banana. And if you down back with your girl, sit down on it. Let me pitch it in at every song corner. Wind up your tight pussy pan a cocky. Long till you bend like banana. Move your one from your jaw. Wind up your body, come me want you. Tight pussy, girl, cocky call you. Baby, this is what me want you. Wind up your tight pussy pan a cocky. Long till you bend like banana. Combine up your tight pussy pan a cocky. Long till you bend like banana.
I was in a sheer dress the day that we met. We were both in a rush. We talked for a sec. You friended me up so we could connect. And what are the odds? You sent me a text and now the next thing I know, I'm like, manifest. That's your.
I hope you guys enjoyed this full tutorial. Yeah, it took me 2 days. Usually it does take me 2 days to do my hair if you be clocking the outfit changes, lol. But it came out really cute. Let me know what style you guys want to see next. Yeah, because I'll be rocking this for a while until the heat just messes with me. But yeah, like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.